Welcome to another Christian crypto video. Today, my friends, is just a quick one. I'm just looking at I'm basically just shilling free small cap coins that I have invested in. I literally just skim over them, give you an explanation why. Everything's going up. It's alt season. You can play it safe, park your money in Bitcoin, park your money in Ethereum, or be a bit more riskier, you know? Go in those small cap altcoins that are going to gain some hype. Be a bit more riskier. These are the coins behind me. If you don't know them, you soon will. I'm sure most of you probably know this one. This last month, with all this NFT hype, I've been buying stupid stuff. I bought a crypto corgi. This is a waste of money. We've seen space buds get launched on Cardano, which could be pretty exciting. I've seen some of them going for big money. Kind of wish that I participated in that. I decided not to because I was burnt out. I'm not gonna lie, I was burnt out from NFTs, but I am still very excited for this space moving forward. Just everything in general is just moving at crazy speeds. It's hard to keep up with everything. Obviously most excited for Cardano smart contracts. Today I should mention that today is D equals 0. It's good to mention a video so I can look back on, because I look back on a lot of my videos and some of the coins that I mentioned have performed really well. Like, they've just wiped out 3 years. I'm getting people comment on like my get ticketing video, because that's gone like over 3,000%, and people are like, oh, I hope he held. I never had that in the first place. I wish I picked up loads of that. But Uniswap has saved everything. But I'm going to stop babbling on. Basically, these altcoins, if you hold long enough, you will be rewarded. You've got to remember, Amazon lost like 90% of its value in its first few years. Life-changing amounts of money can be made in these altcoins. You gotta risk it, you gotta know when to take profits, all of that. It's the game that we play. Let's get into this video real quick. Roll it. Okay, this first coin is called Premia. It is super small market cap. Currently only 15 million. Premia is a options trading platform, which is very new, super early days, and is high risk but high reward. Now, if you're not aware of options trading, it's basically you can buy a contract, and that contract will have certain parameters in it. So it will be a call or a put option, and then you can always buy at that price within that contract, as long as there is enough liquidity in that contract. Now, the niche thing about Premia is that it's all of the DeFi coins and Oracle coins, and well, it's all the cryptos, but specifically DeFi coins. Now, if this thing was to take off and become huge, it's going to be a multi-billion-dollar coin. The team behind it are an Anon team. They've done a few things in the crypto space already that have proven to be quite big. Currently, the community is waiting for vaults. For holding the Premia token, you can then stake it and earn fees from people using the contracts in Premia, opening trades and buying and selling contracts. And it's got a promising future. Obviously, very high risk, but very high reward potential. You get rewarded in X Premia, similar to Sushi and X Sushi. They're linking up with Binance Smart Chain. I wouldn't be surprised to see them link up with a plethora of other layer ones. And I am going to be accumulating this on dips. We just had a nice dip the other day. I've actually inverted my colors on my charts, so I can actually buy green and sell red. Makes it a bit psychologically easier to actually buy the dips. Yeah, currently only at $1.4. I think personally the actual website itself at the moment is actually it's actually alright, to be fair, for something that's as early as this. Like I said, waiting for vaults. If you want to learn more, Discord and Twitter and everything is on the website. I will leave a link down below. Come and check it out. If you don't know about options trading, I'll leave a couple links for some videos that I watched myself to learn about options trading really quick, because it's not a common thing. But whales love it, and as this space evolves, it's going to be a bigger market. Patience is key. Now, this next coin, I'm actually kicking myself on that I didn't make this video a few days ago like I was planning to. But I'm lazy, and it's like that sometimes, you know. But this is API3, originally brought to my attention by this absolute god called Bitcoin Trapper, who just is constantly putting out coins that just perform really well. This guy's making millionaires. But the reason why this coin tickled my fancy in particular was because on their partnership board or whatever, or like people working with them, is ERGO. And if you don't know about ERGO, they're working with one of my other favorite coins, ERGO, and obviously the big daddy dog, Cardano. ERGO also built the Yoroi wallet, which is one of the main wallets for Cardano, and they've got some other massive names on there as well, one of which is Digital Currency Group, which is linked to Grayscale. And currently this coin is number 236 with a market cap of 215 million. Now, if you compare this to something like Link, which is near the top 10, and the reason why I'm comparing it to Link is because it's an Oracle solution. It's like a data provider Oracle solution for websites to put the API onto their website and provide data to oracles. That's my smooth brain explanation, quick explanation. I'll probably make a video on this by itself in the future, which also gets my brain going because of this coin, because it's working with ERGO, could also work with ERGO in Oracle pools, giving websites and companies an easy way to provide data to said Oracle pools. Now, I might be missing the mark completely. It'd be nice to hear from someone out there, but who knows, maybe I'll be proven right, I could be proven wrong. This coin is performing really well, and as DeFi grows and as oracles grow, then and this gives people an easy way to add the oracles to their website or provide data from their website to oracles. That's my explanation. Take it or leave it. I don't know. Maybe I'm just stupid, but it's been performing really well. Yeah, it's up to nearly $10 at the moment. I would advise buy the dips. This will probably do something like, hey, where's my chart gone? This will probably come up, touch this line. And then maybe chill around here for a bit, or it could even come as low as this. Set buy orders in. It's a bit hard to set buy orders in on this at the moment because it's only on like Uniswap and like smaller exchanges. But I mean, Uniswap is a big exchange, but retail don't really like using Uniswap because of the fees. When this is on Binance, it's going to rip. That's all I've got to say on it, really, to be honest. And the last coin is going to be ERGO, currently falling out of this trading range that I had it in. It could come back down to these levels. ERGO is still high risk. It's like it is. I think ERGO really shines after all this VC stuff, and people start getting sick of getting dumped on in these projects, which are just all hype. Because this is a fair launch coin, and although it's still high risk, it's got high reward, fair launch, proof of work, good fundamentals. We just had the Sigma DApp relaunch, and I think when smart contracts come out on Cardano and these two's connection is really shown a lot more, and we get liquid finance come out, we might see this we probably will see ERGO grow a lot more and see how it is going to be used in the ecosystem, and hopefully we'll get an influx of anon developers want to build on top of ERGO, build products, anon entrepreneurs that are looking to change the world with certain dApps. As always, I am a complete layman. I appreciate you sticking around to the end of this video, and buy the dips. Don't FOMO, never FOMO. That's one thing that I learned from 2017. Don't FOMO, just buy the dips, allocate a certain amount that you're willing to put in. Don't blow your load, just stack it gradually, and don't be upset if you don't put the full amount that you wanted to put in, because it probably will come back down again. So long-term thinking, don't just blow your load and try and take it out for like a 10% gain. These things, if all goes to plan, thousands of percent are on the horizon. As I said at the beginning, I've had bags from 2017 that have actually returned that I never thought would return. So just have faith in what you're buying and just like what you're buying. That's all I've got to say. Goodbye.